What if I told you that everything you've been taught about growing fruit trees is wrong? That the fertilizers, the complicated schedules, and the expensive soil amendments you've been relying on aren't the secret to abundance. They're distractions. Most gardeners spend hundreds, sometimes thousands, chasing bigger, juicier harvests, yet their trees struggle. Leaves yellow, and fruits barely reach full size. But here's the thing. The very industry selling these chemicals doesn't want you to know that nature has been quietly solving this problem for centuries. Imagine stepping into a backyard where fruit trees explode with lush, vibrant growth, their branches bending under the weight of ripe, sun-kissed fruit, yet the soil has never been touched by a single synthetic product. No boosters, no sprays, no rigid schedules, just pure, effortless, natural growth. Most gardeners think abundance requires constant intervention, yet a handful of trees defy this belief, thriving spectacularly without fertilizer. And in this video, I'll reveal the 13 fruit trees that do exactly that. Number 2 will shock you, and number 1 is almost unbelievable. By the end, you'll see why modern gardening is broken and how overlooked wisdom can make your trees grow stronger, faster, and far more fruitful than you ever imagined. Now let's dive into the list. We're counting down 13 fruit trees that grow effortlessly without a single touch of fertilizer, yet consistently outperform their conventional, chemical-fed counterparts. Each tree on this list has been carefully selected for its natural resilience, astonishing yield, and ability to thrive even in neglected soil, extreme weather, or backyard corners where other trees struggle. We'll begin with those quiet performers, trees that often go unnoticed, yet silently outperform expectations, surprising even experienced gardeners. As we move up, each tree becomes more remarkable, with benefits that escalate in flavor, growth speed, and sheer abundance. By the time we reach number 2, you'll encounter an almost legendary tree that has baffled experts for decades. And number 1 will completely redefine everything you thought you knew about growing fruit. Along the way, you'll uncover hidden traits, rapid growth, extraordinary flavor, natural pest resistance, and unmatched longevity. These aren't just list items. Each tree is a living lesson in natural abundance, showing how ecosystems work in harmony. So keep watching, because the most jaw-dropping revelations are saved for last, and your backyard is about to transform in ways you never imagined. Tree number 13, also known as the speed demon, hails from the rugged highlands of Central Asia, where bitter winters and rocky, nutrient-poor soil would crush most ordinary fruit trees. For centuries, local farmers have relied on it, harvesting sweet, succulent fruit without ever touching the soil with fertilizers or irrigation. Scientists call it a marvel of natural adaptation. It can grow an astonishing 1.2 meters in a single season and withstand frost, drought, and neglect with minimal intervention. Its secret? Unmatched resilience. While most fruit trees wither in poor soil, the speed demon flourishes, producing bountiful crops year after year. Compare it to the common apple, which struggles and yields weak fruit without constant fertilization, and the difference is staggering. For gardeners seeking fast, reliable harvests without breaking the bank on chemicals, this tree is a dream come true. Picture reaching up to pluck ripe, juicy fruit from a tree that seems to grow itself, branches heavy with abundance. And here's the kicker, this is only the beginning. Up next, we'll reveal a tree that doesn't just survive neglect, it thrives on it, delivering fruit so sweet and plentiful you'll hardly believe it exists. Tree number 12, nicknamed the Secret Survivor, has a story few gardeners know. Centuries ago, monks cultivated this remarkable tree in shaded monastery gardens, tucked beneath cloisters and towering pines. Over generations, it adapted to low light conditions, producing fruit where almost every other tree would fail. Scientific data confirms its extraordinary ability. Under partial shade, it yields 30 to 50% more fruit than conventional trees grown in full sun. Its unique advantage is efficiency. It transforms every ray of sunlight into growth, maximizing what little energy it receives. Unlike ordinary fruit trees that droop, pale, and struggle in the shade, the Secret Survivor flourishes quietly, almost invisibly, while neighbors demand constant sun and care. For urban gardeners, small yards, or shaded back corners, this tree is a game changer. Picture a lush, vibrant canopy heavy with ripe, colorful fruit, tucked under taller plants, defying expectations, silently thriving. And here's the kicker. What makes tree number 11 even more astonishing is that it not only survives poor conditions, but actually rewards neglect, growing in soil that would kill nearly any other fruit tree. You'll want to see this next tree. It rewrites the rules entirely. Tree number 11, known as the Earth Warrior, hails from the volcanic soils of South America, where the ground is often barren, rocky, and low in nutrients. Locals discovered long ago that this tree could thrive where most others failed, producing abundant, sweet fruit even in soil that looks lifeless. Modern researchers have confirmed what these communities knew instinctively. On nutrient-poor ground, the Earth Warrior delivers fruit up to 20% larger than standard varieties. Its secret lies underground. Its roots form symbiotic relationships with natural soil microbes, unlocking nutrients without any fertilizer. Compare this to supermarket staples, which demand constant feeding and careful attention, yet yield mediocre results if neglected. For anyone struggling with poor soil, compacted yards, or marginal farmland, this tree is nothing short of revolutionary. Picture a yard others consider useless, suddenly transformed by branches heavy with ripe, luscious fruit, growing with minimal effort. And here's the twist. The magic doesn't stop there. Up next, number 10 takes an entirely different challenge, drought, and turns it into an unexpected advantage, producing growth and abundance in conditions most trees would simply perish. You won't want to miss this next remarkable survivor. Tree number 10, famously called the Desert Jewel, originates from the semi-arid regions of North Africa and the Middle East, where rainfall is scarce and irrigation is a luxury few can afford. For centuries, local farmers relied on this tree to produce consistent harvests, even during prolonged dry spells. Modern scientific trials confirm its remarkable resilience. Under drought conditions, it boasts a 40% higher survival rate than conventional fruit trees. Its secret lies in its deep, intelligent root system, which not only stores water like a natural reservoir, but also regulates growth to match available resources. Unlike commercial, water-hungry trees that wilt or fail without constant irrigation, the Desert Jewel thrives with almost zero human intervention. For anyone in climates with erratic rainfall, scorching summers, or busy schedules, this tree is an unparalleled solution. Picture golden, sun-kissed fruit dangling from branches that sway lightly in the dry breeze, leaves glossy and healthy, defying a harsh summer that would kill ordinary trees. And here's the tease. Coming up next is a tree that doesn't merely survive neglect, it rewards it, growing faster, stronger, and producing sweeter fruit when left alone. Tree number 9, nicknamed the Growth Machine, has its roots in the tropical regions of Southeast Asia, where farmers rely on speed and consistency to feed communities and sustain livelihoods. Unlike conventional fruit trees, which can take 4 or 5 years to bear a decent harvest, the Growth Machine reaches fruit-bearing maturity in just 18 months, less than half the time of an apple or pear. Its secret lies in accelerated flowering cycles and built-in pest resistance, allowing it to thrive without constant care or chemical interventions. Imagine planting a sapling and barely a year later, reaching up to pick sweet, ripe fruit that bursts with flavor. Its rapid growth and reliable yield make it perfect for impatient gardeners, small space growers, or anyone craving instant results. But here's the kicker. Its productivity isn't just about speed. This tree produces fruit consistently, season after season, outperforming neighbors not only in quantity, but also in quality. And what comes next, at 8, takes this concept even further. A tree that doesn't just grow fast, but elevates flavor and abundance to levels most gardeners only dream about. You won't want to miss it. Tree number 8, known as the Taste Titan, has a history as rich as its flavor. Its fruit once graced the royal gardens of Europe, coveted by nobles for its unparalleled sweetness and aroma. Modern lab tests confirm what gardeners and gourmets have long suspected. This tree produces fruit with 15 to 20% higher sugar content than typical supermarket varieties, and remarkably, it does so without a single pinch of fertilizer. Its unique advantage lies in natural flavor development. Where most commercial fruit relies on chemical feeding to reach sweetness, the Taste Titan intensifies on its own, a marvel of pure biology. For anyone chasing the ultimate taste experience, this tree is a dream come true. Picture biting into a plump, sun-warmed fruit, juice dripping, flavor so rich it feels almost indulgent, yet entirely natural. It's the kind of fruit that makes you rethink what sweet really means. And here's the tease. Number 7 pushes this even further, a tree that not only produces abundant harvests, but also delivers medicinal benefits, turning your backyard into a source of both flavor and wellness. You'll want to see this next one. Tree number 7, nicknamed the healer, traces its roots to ancient Chinese orchards where it was cultivated not just for food, but as a cornerstone of traditional medicine. For centuries, herbalists and gardeners relied on its fruit and leaves to support health, balance, and vitality. Modern studies confirm what the ancients knew intuitively. This tree's fruit and foliage are packed with antioxidants and compounds that help nourish the body while delighting the palate. Its unique advantage is the rare combination of taste and wellness. Most garden trees give you either edible fruit or health benefits, but the healer delivers both effortlessly. Imagine walking into your backyard, plucking fruit that not only bursts with natural sweetness, but also supports your immune system and overall vitality with every bite. It's food and medicine intertwined in a single, thriving tree. Perfect for health-conscious gardeners, urban growers, or anyone who wants their backyard to provide more than just aesthetics. And here's the tease. Coming up, tree number 6 is a tree that survives pests and diseases that would devastate nearly every other fruit tree, producing abundant, worry-free harvests year after year. Tree number 6, nicknamed the Guardian, is a marvel of natural defense. Originating from temperate orchards in Europe, this tree evolved leaf compounds that repel a wide variety of insects, creating a protective shield around its fruit. Scientific trials reveal it suffers up to 70% less pest damage than conventional varieties, even without a single pesticide application. Its unique advantage is simple yet powerful. It protects itself naturally, saving gardeners time, money, and worry. Compare this to typical garden trees that demand weekly sprays and chemical interventions just to survive. There's no contest. For organic growers, urban gardeners, or anyone tired of battling endless pests, the Guardian is a revelation. Picture a lush, vibrant tree, branches heavy with fruit, leaves glossy and untouched, standing resilient while neighboring trees fall victim to insects. It's the kind of tree that makes you rethink how much intervention is really necessary. And here's the tease. Coming up, tree number 5 takes this concept even further. Not only does it defend itself, but it also thrives in extreme climates where most trees would fail, producing abundant fruit under conditions that would challenge even the hardiest gardener. Tree number 5, known as the Weather Warrior, is the ultimate survivor. Native to the unpredictable valleys of Central Europe, it endures the harshest extremes, from bitter winters of -15 degrees to scorching summer highs of +40 degrees, without losing vigor or yield. Scientific trials confirm what gardeners have observed for generations. This tree produces a stable, abundant harvest, regardless of climate, making it a rare gem in a world of fragile modern hybrids that wilt under stress. Its unique advantage is resilience, pure and unmatched. While most conventional trees require protection, irrigation, or shading, the Weather Warrior stands tall and fruitful, adapting naturally to whatever conditions arise. For gardeners in unpredictable regions, this tree is nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine branches heavy with golden, ripe fruit, swaying gently under summer heat, yet still holding strong as winter snow blankets the ground. It's proof that nature often knows better than modern engineering. And here's the tease. Coming up, #4 doesn't just endure neglect, it thrives on it, growing faster, producing more, and rewarding patience in ways almost no other fruit tree can. You won't want to miss this next marvel. Tree number 4, famously called the lazy gardener's dream, comes from the quiet countryside of rural Europe, where farmers didn't have the time or resources for constant care. Historical records reveal something surprising. This tree actually produces better harvests when left alone, with minimal pruning, watering, or intervention. Its unique advantage is counterintuitive. The less you interfere, the more it rewards you. While conventional fruit trees demand regular trimming, feeding, and attention just to stay productive, this one thrives in simplicity, channeling its energy into steady, abundant fruiting. For busy gardeners, beginners, or anyone tired of high-maintenance routines, it's a perfect match. Imagine a tree growing strong and full while you focus on other priorities, its branches quietly filling with ripe fruit without constant supervision. It challenges everything modern gardening teaches about control and precision. But here's the thing, the story doesn't stop here. Coming up next, #3 takes this concept even further. This next tree doesn't just thrive on neglect, it practically grows itself, requiring so little effort that it almost feels unreal. You'll want to see how far this can go. Tree number 3, known as the autonomous, originates from the sun-drenched Mediterranean landscapes, where nature has perfected the art of balance over centuries. Unlike most fruit trees that demand constant pruning and feeding, this one has evolved a remarkable ability to manage itself. Studies reveal it naturally self-prunes, shedding excess growth and redirecting energy into fruit production, while also cycling nutrients efficiently through its own leaf litter. Its unique advantage is near total independence. While fertilizer-dependent species rely heavily on human intervention just to survive, the autonomous thrives with almost no maintenance at all. For hands-off gardeners or anyone seeking simplicity, this tree feels almost unreal. Imagine walking into your yard and seeing branches bursting with ripe, vibrant fruit from a tree you barely touch, as if it's quietly doing all the work for you behind the scenes. It challenges the very idea that effort equals results. But here's where things get even more surprising. Coming up next, number 2 isn't just efficient, it's explosive. Its yield defies expectations so dramatically that even seasoned growers struggle to explain how it produces so much, so consistently. Tree number 2, known as the Titan, traces its origins to ancestral orchards of the Middle East, where generations of growers cultivated abundance under some of the toughest conditions. This isn't just another productive tree, it's a legend among those who know it. Experts have documented yields reaching up to 3 times that of conventional fruit trees, all without the use of fertilizers or chemical inputs. Its unique advantage lies in its complete package: explosive growth, rich flavor, and unmatched resilience working together in perfect harmony. While commercial orchards rely heavily on synthetic feeding just to produce moderate harvests, the Titan delivers overwhelming abundance naturally, season after season. For anyone dreaming of overflowing baskets, heavy branches, and harvests that feel almost endless, this tree stands in a league of its own. Imagine walking beneath a canopy so dense with fruit that branches bend under the weight, colors glowing in the sunlight. It feels excessive, almost unreal. But here's the thing, even this isn't the peak. Because coming up next is number 1, and it doesn't just outperform everything you've seen, it completely rewrites the rules of what fruit trees are capable of. Tree number 1, known as the miracle tree, comes from the remote valleys of Asia, where nature has quietly perfected abundance without human interference. Ancient texts describe it as a tree that feeds families effortlessly, season after season, and modern science now confirms those claims. This tree can produce up to 300% more fruit than conventional varieties, all without fertilizer. Its advantage is unmatched: extreme resilience, rapid growth, and flavor so rich it feels almost unreal. While industrial hybrids depend on constant chemical support just to survive, the miracle tree thrives naturally, working in harmony with soil, sunlight, and surrounding life. Imagine stepping into your backyard and seeing it transformed into a lush, thriving orchard, branches overflowing with vibrant, healthy fruit, all with minimal effort. This is what happens when you stop fighting nature and start working with it. For centuries, farmers relied on this wisdom, yet today it remains hidden in simple sight. But here's the thing, your future can look like this. Start with one tree, observe, learn, and expand. Take action now. Subscribe for more and begin growing abundance without limits.